everybody, this is PADLOCK. Welcome to my channel and welcome to vlog 94 of the hashtag 365 hour series. Today we have a Gorilla Guard lock. Now this is a wafer lock, I believe. A disc, tumbler maybe, I think it's a wafer. But you're looking at the key, you wouldn't know. But I'll just show you it working. I've never seen one of these before. So this was sent to me by Lock Saga, my friend. So if you don't know who that is, check him out at Lock Saga on YouTube. He did a video picking this early on in his chat when he first started his channel, and I remember commenting saying, I've never seen a lock like that, and it's a proper cool little lock. So he surprised me and sent me this, so I was chuffed with that. So thank you, Lock Saga. So I'm gonna have a go at picking it now. So I haven't actually picked it. I've just took the key off to figure out which way the tension's got to go, because I was presuming it was a wafer by looking down the. There you can see. I mean, it could be a disc tumbler. I think it's a wafer, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. So this is it working. Works beautifully. Let's just take that off actually. I love the shackle on it. You can push it right down, or you can push it to 3 different depths, I think, or 2 different depths. 2 different depths. So I could, would that lock if I put it there? Yeah, that's locked, but of course I could go again, I think. There we go. Oh, that's all the way in. So I think I'm going to tension this at the bottom if I can. Look at that end. That might be enough. So I'm going to go in with a hook first and see if we can manipulate the wafers up. Seems to be doing the trick. So maybe we're going with a twin peak. There we go. So as a rule, I usually rate if I think it's a disc tumbler or a wafer lock. I do, as a rule, go with the rate first. I need to push that all the way through then. But I think maybe I'll be able to do it with a shallower profile. So let's try the old McTickler, the old faithful. Let's see if we can. I'm giving it a little wriggle. Fancy we can go then. There we go. So just need a little wriggle. Let's try it again. Maybe if I put the full length of the tensioner in, get a better grip. There we go. And I think obviously because of the shape of the McTickler, with that little hump in the middle, anything in the middle you can catch, which is why I love this profile so much. But yeah, beautiful lock. That I'm really happy to have that one in the collection. So we've got the little Gorilla Guard open. Got it open with a twin peak and the old McTickler. But yeah, really like that lock. Like I say, I've never seen this lock before. I've never seen anyone else feature this lock other than Lock Saga. So it was cracking fun. This is a really cool present. So thank you, my friend. I really appreciate that. I hope everyone enjoyed that one. I enjoyed doing that one today. Something a bit different. Hope you all have a wonderful day. See you later.